Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to center text in Notion. The first thing I'd like you to do is to sign into Notion. How do you do that? Open any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type notion.so. And after doing that, follow the necessary instructions or necessary prompts to sign in. And of course, after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So now through here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to center text in Notion. First off, I'd like you to know that unlike the other text editing websites or platforms that allow you to highlight a text, and in the formatting option you have an option for you to align your text to the center, Notion does not have that inbuilt feature that allows you to align your text using an alignment icon or whatever, or a center alignment option. All right, because if you check these, if you highlight your text and if you check the formatting tools, you'll see that there is no option for you to highlight your text to the center. But there are workarounds that we can use, and we're just going to follow them right away. The first thing is to use the callout blocks. Okay, so navigate to the page where you want to center the text, which we have done right here. Then the next thing for you to do is to type. So I'm going out on this. I'm just going to go backspace on this and put in the backward slash. So that's the backward slash and call out. So once you type in call out, you can now enter your text into the call out block. So this is it. And that's it. So call out option actually allows your text to stand out. Okay, so once you enter your text in the call out block, that's it. So while Notion does not provide direct center alignments, which of course I've said, you can use the call out block to mimic center text visually. So this is it. So this could actually be visually appealing for a centralized text, that if that works for you. The next step is to use the text styling for headers. So navigate to the page where you want to center the text, which you've done right here, and go ahead and use the backward slash and heading. So you could use either heading 1, a heading 2, or heading 3. Now the header text will be centered by default in the new updated Notion interface. So let's say I want to use heading 1, and I'm saying, so that's pretty much it. This could actually make it more emphasized to give you the appeal that a center text actually gives. These are the options that Notion provides. So there is no inbuilt feature that allows you to align your text in a centralized manner. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. So unfortunately, Notion does not offer a direct way to center text in regular blocks, but using headers or call-out blocks can provide a visual approximation. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.